Okay, I'm gonna unbox the NRG quick release steering wheel adapter for my 72 Chevelle. That's the part number, and then this is the hub you'll need for it. So in the adapter portion, you'll find the actual adapter. Let's see. This is like a catalog of the products they sell, paper, and a sticker. And the actual quick release, same thing, but here we have the actual quick release. Here's some shims, some of the bolts, hardware, and the actual quick release piece itself. So this attaches to the steering wheel, and this part attaches to the hub. So it'll sit on the steering column like that. So first, I like to make sure that my steering wheel is nice and straight in the middle, and that the wheels are straight. Right, since it has power steering, I want to have the car on so that, okay, there, it should be nice and straight right there. Okay. Next, you don't disconnect the battery, but there's two bolts here and here. You want to remove those. Once you remove those, this horn will come off, exposing the horn button and this nut. So this nut you'll have to remove. Once you disconnect that right here, you'll want to take out this nut. So you would have to take it off. So then you could either use a steering wheel puller or yank it really hard. Steering wheel is out. You want to keep that. So then I took out these 3 screws here to remove this plate. And then if you need to change your assembly, you would need to remove this little clip here and this, but I just rotated it. I'm adding a new lever. Let's see what I remember. I'm gonna add a new turning signal, old versus new. Okay, so this will just go in here, and then I could bolt it in. So once it's in there, once you just thread it in there, you can rotate this, and that'll latch up. So test it out. Yeah, you can put this back in here, like so. And we're gonna screw these back. Now that you tighten up these 3, you'll take this. You see that little notch? Corresponds with that. So you'll want to push and twist. Next, you'll take your hub adapter, and you're gonna place this through here, and with the NRG standing up, place it on just as so. Next, you'll take your nut and you'll want to thread it back in there, and you tighten it. Once it's tight, you know, you'll have your ground and your hot wire. You'll take your adapter and you want to push this button right here and, oh, let me see if I can do it one-handed. that. Sorry, hard to see. Push it and pull it back, exposing these bearings. This itself will attach to the steering wheel, and this right here see how you have a male and a female side, female and male. You just want to attach them and bolt it on with the supplied screws. Plug them up. You're just going to tuck them in here and place up a little bit of shrink wrap just to protect it from touching all the metal. Take your supplied bolts, put a little bit of thread locker, and you see where that NRG, it's going to end up right there. Okay, now they're all tight. Go in the start pattern as always. Next, you will connect this to the steering wheel and plug these into the horn of your steering wheel. And as soon as I get that, put it in, and that's the quick release. So now we're ready to install this onto the steering wheel. Remember, this button goes on top, and you kind of see it matches it. So this goes on top like this. And then we got to install these wires to here and then connect them to this. So just connect them. This female side will connect to the red and the black to the black. So this is a new steering wheel. Horn works. Press this button and push here. Comes out. Put it on. Push it. There you go.